Right now, I am going to show you how to test the suction on your Bissell little green machine. I've heard reports and seen comments on some of my other videos that theirs is not sucking up any water, so this is a way you can actually test it. So keep in mind, this machine is not going to have the same power of a large vacuum, but it should suck up the water off of whatever fabric, carpet, or material you are using it on. So here in this cup, you can do the same thing at home to test your machine. Sorry, in this bowl here, I have 5 cups of water, just room temperature water. I'm going to put the hose attachment into the water here, turn the machine on, and it should suck it up here in a matter of seconds. So there you saw how long that took. It took a matter of seconds to suck up that 5 cups of water. So if you want to test your machine at home, you can do that. Then if it still is not sucking up that water in a matter of seconds, 5, 10 seconds, if it's taking longer than that, you might want to check your machine out. If it is sucking up a little water, you might check the hose and really try to clean the hose. Now I've done a video on troubleshooting, but you can remember, take this attachment off the top, then this attachment goes on the hose, then you fill it up with water and you pull the trigger and it shoots water through the hose. That might be something you need to explore if you are still not having much suction. And then of course you might want to explore your warranty options on the machine if it is just not sucking and you've troubleshot the machine. I will link to other videos on how to use it and also how to troubleshoot it. Again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.